Hello everybody, it is meteorologist Angel Weather Forecast. Welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be talking about the Christmas forecast part 2. So Hooga, White Christmas, radar, and all that stuff you need to know to get prepared if you need to go shopping right now or you're gonna be good. So let's just go on with the video. 6 hours, you can see snow in parts of Montana, Idaho, just staying in there for a while. Not part of any, not close to Christmas yet. 12 hours at snowstorm parts of Idaho, Montana, parts of western Wyoming. And then this is something I want to watch about, guys. There's a quite big rainstorm that will turn into snow to make snow for parts of the Northeast. But also, if you look on the other side of the country, another snowstorm's forming. So there's a snowstorm that ends tonight for the Northwest, and just 6 hours later, another snowstorm forms. And then we go 48 hours, or let's actually go 60 hours. 60 hours, guys, look how big it gets, all the way to Montana to southern Oregon. It goes a lot more south than Oregon. Almost all of Oregon's almost on snow, except for the coastal areas. Big band of snow for Washington and Oregon. And then then you can see on the other side too, that rain gets pretty heavy for this area of the country near the coastal areas. So there's two sides of the east to the northwest. So you can see a lot of rain there and then a lot of snow there. And then that can probably switch where there could be snow here and there can be some rain here. So yeah, just might switch. So then we go 66 hours. You can see, whoa, look at this, guys. Snow for Memphis and Mississippi. Well, that was a bad circle. Snow for Mississippi and Memphis, guys, on December 21st. So yeah, some snow there for parts of the Southeast. And then we go here too, all the way to Northern California to Helena, Montana. Like very heavy snow here in this little circle. And then there's the rest of the snow here, which will go more to parts of Nevada, Utah, and all that. So yeah, we go 72 hours. Now it's getting a little scary for parts of Southeast, because then it goes to parts of northern Montana, northern Georgia, Nashville can get some snow. Parts of Detroit can get some snow. But look at this. Look how heavy that rain, the rain moves northeast. Look how heavy it gets right there. There can be flood watches there in that area. And then you can see that snow from the southeast, and then you can see how it goes more. This snowstorm goes more into eastern Montana. That past storms have only gone near Helena, and that's it. But this storm can actually go to North Dakota, South Dakota, and eastern Montana. So eastern Montana can get some snow, and it's been a while. Idaho, parts of Nevada, Utah, Wyoming, getting some snow. This is December 21st. So yeah, let's actually go 78 hours. You can see South Dakota and North Dakota haven't gotten snow in a while. It's been like 2 weeks, I believe. And now look, can you get some snow December 22nd? December 22nd, look at this. Snow for parts of northern Georgia, Kentucky. That heavy snow moves north of Maine in Massachusetts near New England. 72 hours, you can see that snow in 78 hours, it goes to northern Georgia. And then by 84 hours, see that snow starts to go more of Ohio. Almost all of Ohio is under snow. Almost all West Virginia is under snow. And then that heavier rain goes even more north into parts of Canada and northern Maine. And then look at this. Possible very heavy snow for parts of Minnesota, South Dakota, and North Dakota. Quite some heavy snow. And look, finally a break for the Northwest. But wait, that won't stay there for a while. So let me draw a little circle. This is where there can be that snow area will come. So just wait as it just goes on the next couple days. 90 hours, good. 90 hours, yet to still no snow there, but you can see snow parts of Minneapolis, Erie, Cleveland, Buffalo getting rain, but Erie and Cleveland get some snow. So let me put that circle back. This can be the area that gets some snow for when that other storm comes. See, you can see that snow starts to go back. And see, look, by Christmas Eve, that snow comes again. They just won't get a break from snow. Like if they do, it'd be like 12 hours, and that's lucky. So they won't even have that. In that 12 hours, there's snow on the ground, so it will be a lot easier to stick. This snow actually gets really, really close to Seattle. I'm not surprised if Seattle gets some flurries from this. It looks really close to Seattle there. And then 102 hours or 120 hours. This is Christmas. This is December 23rd. December 23rd. So this Sunday. Look at all this, guys. Almost just a lot of snow, guys, for the Northwest. It's been a very active month. Let's actually go to Christmas Eve morning. This is the morning Christmas Eve. Very heavy snow for Idaho. Some snow there for Cleveland area, so they can get a white Christmas Eve. And then let's go to mid Christmas Eve. This is midday on Christmas Eve. Snow for Erie, just south of Buffalo. And then Nevada, Utah, Wyoming. Then they can get some snow. But look, as we go on to another 6 hours, another storm forms. So you see here, let me go back. So so you see here, that's rain off the coast. But look as it then just watch. 6 hours later, it turns into snow. See, it just turns more into snow for parts of Washington. It stays rain on the coast, but as it goes on land, it's getting really cold. It starts to fall snow. So this is Christmas Eve night. Very, very heavy snow for southern Oregon and northern Washington, northern California. Like super heavy snow there. Quite some dark blue. And Erie still getting some snow on Christmas Eve night, staying there from lake effect snow. 150 hours. This is Tuesday. Very heavy snow there. It goes in parts of close. If we go here, it gets pretty super close to Las Vegas. So really gotta watch out for that, guys. It gets really close to Las Vegas, and then it just goes off. So yeah, there's a great chance for a white Christmas in the Northwest. Probably right here. Really good chance. So yeah, there's a very good chance for the Northwest getting a white Christmas. I might do another video tomorrow night. So yeah. Let me go snowfall. Let me actually go all the way to Monday. This is Monday. This is Monday night. So Christmas Eve night. You can see almost or close to 4 feet of snow here. About a foot here. About 3 inches in Nevada. Another foot or so in Northern California. Another foot there. A very, like you see, just a band of heavy snow come down. The big band there. Let me circle it better. There's a pretty big band of snow right here with up to a foot. It's just crazy how much snow. Up to a couple inches there. Yeah, just about a foot to 4 feet of snow by Christmas Eve night. Let me go to. This is end of Tuesday. This is Christmas night. Still hasn't changed up to 4 feet here. You can see a bigger band of snow there. Quite some heavy snow up to 9 or 4 inches to about 17 inches. So quite some heavy snow. A super big band of snow here from almost all of Idaho. Or look, just all of Idaho's under snow there. Almost all of Washington. Look how close that snow is to Seattle. Super close. So yeah, up to 8 inches, almost 8 inches right here in parts of Utah. Salt Lake City can get up to 5 inches of snow. So yeah, very good chance for a white Christmas. Let me go to temperatures. Let me just go to Christmas Day because this video is getting quite long. This is Christmas Day. You can see it will be above average. It will be above average in the Northwest. In much of the country, except for Florida, will be below average. But look at all this above average. But in the Northwest, you're like saying, how can they get snow if it's above average on Christmas Eve or on Christmas? Well, they're above average. It's being above average by only like 2 degrees, so it's still going to be very cold for them. like 2 degrees isn't a big difference. Like it's still gonna be cold. So yeah, Christmas Day it will be quite. It will be not mild or warm. It will be above average by 2 degrees or 3 degrees, but still very cold. And then let me just go very quick. It gets up to 4 degrees, 5 degrees below average on parts of Arizona in that green, and it'll be a very cold January for much of the country. And I'll do a video about that too. I'll do a video what January gonna look like. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But if we look here, it can be up to 8 degrees above average in parts of North Dakota. Minneapolis, northern part can be up to 4 degrees. So yeah, stay tuned for a video, but quite warm for North Dakota. Let me go to the forecast models really quick. Let me just go to right to Christmas. Christmas Day. See, this is Christmas Day. You can see quite some heavy snow in Montana, Idaho, and Utah. So same areas getting snow. So just watch out for that, guys. Quite some heavy snow for Montana, Idaho, and all those areas. But still gotta watch out because this can change because it's a little less than a week away. Let me go to Christmas Day night. Let me actually go back to when that snow's supposed to hit the southeast. So you see that snowman Jax, Mississippi. Then it goes northern Alabama and it hits northern Georgia and it goes off in the Appalachians. Hits Erie, Cleveland with some snow there. So yeah, and then that heavier rain goes off to Canada. So yeah, that's basically what it looks like. And don't worry, guys. There'll still be a time to change this storm. It looks like it might hit Friday. So yes, maybe 2 days to prepare. So it looks like northern Alabama is gonna get hit. So Atlanta not looking like anything, just rain. And then by Christmas Day, you can see that snow. Guess Christmas Eve goes in Idaho, Wyoming, Utah, and then that heavier band comes for time for Christmas Day. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, just a bunch of snow just north of Las Vegas. So this is what it looks like for Christmas Day, guys. When you wake up, that's what it's gonna look like. Green Bay can get some snow there. Let me go. What happens? Let me look at when you're gonna sleep on Christmas Day. Christmas Day. This is what it looks like when you're going to sleep. This is the end of the day on Christmas. So yeah, it looks like some snow still in the same areas that when you're waking up with. So yeah. Snowfall. Let me actually go all the way to Christmas Day. This is end of Christmas Day. So yeah. Look and find your area where your snowfall is. So if you are in like the darkest blue, you're on 0.1 inches. And just find your color and find your snowfall. For example, here there can be up to 18 inches, 30 inches. So yeah, just find your area, find your color. If you need to pause the video, just find it. So yeah, don't want to make this video too long, so I don't want to explain. But here you can get up to 8 inches, up to a foot or so in the band, 5 inches to 12 feet, to 12 inches, not 12 feet. So yeah, just find your area and yeah, comment below if you're gonna get hit by the storm. Stay safe, guys. Please get prepared if you're getting hit by the storm. Even if you're in Mississippi, Alabama, Northern Georgia, still just prepared. Prepare for the worst. Who knows? It's still 2 days away from the southeast, and that's plenty of time to change. If you're in the northwest getting hit by the storm, please prepare. It's going to be snowstorm, snowmaker after snowmaker after snowmaker, and just look almost all of Idaho's under snow. Almost all Utah's under snow. Almost all Wyoming's under snow. So just take this as a caution and please be careful. So hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please do not forget to like, subscribe. Have a wonderful Christmas Eve and Christmas, and do not forget to hit that red bell button to get instant notifications. Bye, guys.